Alright, to remove the headlight, this is a 99. So it had the old two-piece headlight, where it was a headlight, side marker, and turned on there. These are the 05 to 07 headlights, which the owner before me had done. So he just had them actually sitting in there. They wouldn't move, but I had a problem to where the one fell out. So I zip tied it here, and I just found some random screws that fit down perfectly, because this isn't the 05 to 07, which I think I have to upgrade to if I ever want to do the 05 to 07 front grille. But I like this style of grille. I like the style of these headlights. Had to trim them right here. There's another piece that went over and supposed to bolt into, but it doesn't work with this front clip on the truck. So I'm going to pull this headlight out. Like I said, these headlights aren't in there all too good. Put them in there with what I had at the time, so that way they'll be alright. Well, I got the passenger side in. Not as easy as what I thought, but you actually didn't have to trim this. I don't know why it was trimmed before. Let me try to focus in on it. See? I got fasteners up here properly. I got fasteners down in there properly. It aligns perfect. So definitely not as easy as what I thought it was going to be. So now just to move on to the driver's side, which is going to be even worse because of my bumper alignment. Because of my bumper having a little twist on the passenger side, because I'm assuming the previous owner backed into something, twisted the bumper just a little bit, I'm unable to get this side in, which doesn't have the little bit of a twist. A little bit of a twist ain't that bad. I mean, you can't really notice it, especially with proper bumper alignment, which I had pretty perfect. But I had to loosen this side up to be able to get the headlight in. So I had a bit of a trouble getting the old headlight out. So I'm gonna got them both installed. All the lights working. Grill back on and make sure that my bumper is aligned properly. The bumper looks pretty aligned. I think so. It looks pretty good. If anything, it has to go up a hair. These look pretty. Looks very, very good. The alignment of the bumper looks excellent. I think it actually looks a little better than what it was before. Thank you for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe.